Hey, I'm Max, co-founder of LifeSparrow Solutions. We're based in Hong Kong, building drone systems that help with emergency response and law enforcement. Our drones runs on Huawei Cloud to process video in real time and send out alerts fast, like spotting a wildfire or helping a search and rescue, or for security patrolling purposes. We joined the Huawei Developer Competition last year, and that really helped us level us up. Using Huawei Cloud's ModelArts for AI training, storing high-volume drone footage, we also sped up our analytics big time. We also used it for smarter image recognition and the ECS platform to scale our processing on the fly, helping us turn those tools into working prototypes that landed real partners and funding. The best part was heading back to Bangkok for the finals. You could really feel the energy. Teams from all over Southeast Asia building real solutions that actually matters. Huawei Cloud gave us the power to go from an idea to something that actually makes a difference. Spark your infinity. You make all the difference.